Payment processors have turned a simple transaction into a black box of hidden fees and walled garden software. Helcim is the rebel alternative. It's not just a processor, it's an integration-first platform designed for businesses that refuse to accept the industry's nonsense. See how it actually works for your tech stack. These videos are for entertainment purposes only and should never be considered financial advice. Do your research before investing. Alrighty folks, so this is Helcim. We are on the landing page right here, and everything is in this video that we're going to show you about why you really need to get involved in Helcim for your business's payment processing services. You can speak with people, they've got amazing customer service, fantastic reviews, really competitive pricing, and all the FAQs and everything that you do need to know is right here. You can make huge savings per year and to streamline your business processes in a few clicks of the button. Make it your payments, keep those profits, and there's no games. You don't have to be messing around. Okay, so we are in the dashboard section here, and we're going to be showing you the different tools. There's payments, online checkout, customers, products, services, settings, bank deposits, and all the other tools that are available here as well. As we can see, if we just basically click in here, we can go to the different area. And I like how you can actually pin the different tools that are available as well. We've got things even such as like reporting, integrations, accounting center, lots of cool stuff that you can actually get involved with Helcim. So let's have a look here. We're in the overview section, and we can actually connect up all of these good areas here, such as payment extensions, which you can try, any APIs that you want to build, custom APIs. You can have accounting synchronization set up, as well as webhooks too. Okay, so we have a look at the API access section here. We've got the Helcim configuration section, as well as the webhooks. You can see here, you can add all of those in very quickly and very easily too. Let's keep going and having a look at this other point of contact here. Yep. Okay, so for example, this one here, Xero, accept payments for your Xero invoices through Helcim. So we can go ahead and get that connected and go into the QuickBooks section as well and have a bit of a look-see. Get your invoices and your order exports set up very easily. Let's have a look here. They've also got a QuickBooks online settings area and a QuickBooks deposit settings section here too, where you can get that connected up. So, you want to do things like import your invoices from QuickBooks and collect payment through Helcim. Very easy to do it. You just got to go through, get it all connected up. Just essentially, again, going to streamline your business. So let's go in here and have a look at the Chrome web store. We can have a look at the actual payment extension, a 5-star clean rating for Helcim, as we can see there. 1,000 users, and we can add that to Chrome. So that's what we want to basically do. We want to add that extension to Chrome, and because it's from the Chrome web store, it's been through all of the due diligence checks that the Chrome web store would have done on Helcim. So we can see we've added it there very simply and easily. So you don't have to sort of kind of like worry about having any issues with it, and we can actually bring it up right here. Welcome to the Helcim payment extension. Accept payments without leaving your software. Easy. No switching tabs, no annoying extra steps. And you can automatically reconcile those invoices. And we can click in, yep, log into our account just straight from there. Because remember, we're already logged in. We can go ahead and select our currency. And it takes us to being able to do the steps that we want to do. Nice and simple. Yep, let's check that. We've got the Helcim hardware, yep. And we're all set. Very nice. Let's hit done there. Very good. So yeah, you can do things here like open up the invoice in your software to get that payment processed. Payment section, unreconciled stuff. That's all easy. Very good, very good. Cool. So let's hit APIs. Nice. So again, it's got all your API essentials there. Everything such as hardware APIs, payment APIs, invoice APIs, customer APIs, everything that you need, as well as recurring APIs as well. Very good, very good. Card transaction APIs, everything's here. HelcimPay.js, got code options there. And there's also a section where you can go ahead and actually view the dev docs, the developer documents as well. If you want to get involved in some more coding in the back end of things on here, you can do it. If you've got that expertise already within your business, then it's very easy to go ahead and do that. You can do things like testing, for example, with testing new credit card numbers, new API connections. Everything's set up there very easy for you to do. Very good, very good. Let's keep going through. Let's have a look at the API access configurations here. So it's got our payment extension API access here. It's got our token, for instance, that we need. We can chuck the name in there. The status is showing that it's active. We've got our token lined up there, and we can click whether or not we want to use the token for checkout integration, and we can modify the access restrictions too, very easily. And you can deactivate that as well as generate a new token very easily and save it as well once we're done there. As you can see, we've just hit save on that one. We've got legacy API access key abilities too. Now let's have a look at the webhooks here. Let's have a look at the API access configurations here again. Yep, that's all up. Let's head over to payments. So everything will pop up here, taking your first payment, for instance. So if we want to take it, whether it's through the virtual terminal, whether it's through recurring, invoicing, or even through payment requests, we can take it all through here. So this is really nice. I like how clean the layout is. You can put the payment amount. It clearly shows the amount, the card number, whether it's a credit card. Very simple to digest and understand. Even for someone that's not like super tech savvy, who you might be getting to run this in your business, it's really easy to learn. So really, Helcim's just a go-to. It really is. So you want to stop losing those profits. You want to be getting better rates on different cards. And yeah, so say for example, we want to move this up, right? So we can select our actual monthly volume to actually customize those rates, and it can actually give us the rates that we're getting. So you can get an idea, you can get a forecast, I would say, of what your business is going to be spending in terms of monthly processing. And you're going to be able to see how Helcim is just too competitive against other counterparts. Also got this surcharging fee saver as well, where you actually pay 0%, your customers pay 3%, which is really effective too for your own business. Very cool. So it's your payments, it's your profits. There's zero games, no messing around. If you're a serious business and you are doing a lot of processing, a lot of back-end work, then it's kind of crazy not to get involved in Helcim. And you can get started for free today. Talk to a human as well if you've got any more questions. All of the information is here on the website. Very friendly, very easy to understand, and you really shouldn't have too many questions. You can contact them, you can book a demo tour. It's all very easy to do. And again, try it for free. Get started. If you're building payment solutions or running a business tired of processor games, click the link now in the description to explore Helcim's API and see how transparent payment processing should actually work. If you enjoyed today's video, please take a moment to hit the like button, subscribe, and turn that notification bell on so you don't miss another video. Have a great day.